Hello everyone. Hi Bella. Hi Daphne. Hi Devanka. Hi Kirana. Hi Roughly. Hi Regan. Hi Wenjie. And hi all grade 1 students. Are you okay today? Good. I hope that everyone are now in the safe and a good condition at home. Are you ready to learn art today? Alright then. So today, Mr. R will teach you how to draw an owl. Oh, Mr. R, I think I know how to draw an owl because last time we already learned how to do it. Yes, but last time we all only learned how to draw the owl without decorating the back side of the owl. So I want you now to draw the owl just in the center of your paper, and then you can decorate the rest of the area that the owl are stand up or hang on the branches later on. Are you ready now? So before that, I want you to prepare your paper. You can get this kind of paper, drawing paper. No matter what the size, you can get the big size or the small size like this. This one is an A4 size. If you don't have any paper, you can just take some used paper like this. Maybe you already have it at home. You can use the back side, or if you don't have any paper, you can just grab your book and then use the back side like this, and then you can draw something at the back side later on. So do not give up. You can find any kind of materials or media that you can use to draw your owl. Alright, are you ready now? So last time we already know how to draw the owl, right? I think last time Bella already good in drawing the owl. So I assume that everybody already know how to draw it. So I will just repeat again one more time, and then later I want you to decorate the area outside the owl to be so nice later on. Are you ready now? So first of all, as you know that before we draw the owl, we have to draw the eyes first. We draw the two eyes on the left and the right side like this, right? Two circles, and then if you are ready, you can just color it with your black marker. If you don't have any black marker, it's okay, just use your pencil. Okay, now in the middle of the owl, we have to draw the upside down triangle like this. Okay, this can be the mouth, right? So after you draw the owl, you have to draw the two eyes and the one mouth. You have to draw one big circle like this. Wow, so cute, right? It is like drawing a penguin, but this one is a little bit more smaller, so this could be an owl actually. After that, we have to draw another curved line outside like this. Right, the owl looks so weird now, but actually it's okay. Then we have to draw another curved line again to create the body of the owl like this. Alright, after you're done, you just draw three finger on this part, and then you can draw the what we call for this one, the branches like this, and then don't forget to draw the what we call this one, the tail, right? Like this. So I get now, this is my owl, and I want all of you now to decorate the rest of the outside area of the owl. Okay, you get it? If you have any question, just contact me through the link that I send you in the Google Classroom. Okay, good luck for you guys. After you're done like this, no need to color. No need to color, you just need to draw and then submit me your sketches like this. Okay, just give some additional detail on the owl like this, and then maybe you can put something like this to make the owl look so realistic. Alright, done! Yay! We don't need to color it with any colors. I know that some of you maybe don't have any connector pen or maybe color pencil or maybe crayon at home, so I want you to do these sketches. So next week we're going to color it later, everything. Are you ready now? So good luck everyone, don't give up, be creative, decorate the outside of the owl nicely. Okay, see you again in the next video. Bye.